Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.3 question number 1 part 5th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical method. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. Clear? If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line, inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical method. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution method. But you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. See the pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.3. Question first. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution method. Question first part 5th. Root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0 and root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. It is given equation. You solve given equation by the help of substitution method and you find the value of x and the value of y. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. See the solution. Given equations are root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Equation first. And root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Equation second. It is equation first and it is equation second. Clear? By the help of equation second, by the help of equation second, root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. It is equation second. You can write minus root 8y on right side of equal. Here, clear? It becomes root 3x equal to 0 minus 2 root 8y. You can write root 3x equal to 2 minus 2 root 2y. Here, root 8 means 2 root 2. So, you can write 0 minus root 8y equal to minus 2 root 2y. Clear? X equal to minus 2 root 2 by root 3y. You find the value of x equal to minus 2 root 2 by root 3y. Clear? Substituting the value of x in equation first. Substituting x equal to minus 2 root 2 upon root 3y in equation first. Clear? Equation first is here root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. It is equation first. You substitute the value of x equal to minus 2 root 2 by root 3y. Here root 2 multiply minus 2 root 2 by root 3 y plus root 3y equal to 0. Here root 2 multiply root 2 become 2. You can write minus 4 upon root 3 y plus root 3 y upon 1 equal to 0. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here you can take LCM. Here you can take LCM root 3. Root 3 you can take LCM root 3. Root 3 divided by root 3 you find 1. 1 multiply by minus 4y. It become minus 4y plus root 3 divided by 1 you find root 3. Root 3 multiply root 3. It become 3y. 3y equal to 0. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here minus 4y plus 3y upon root 3 equal to 0. You can write it 0 by 1. Now you cross multiply. Clear? You multiply 0 and root 3. It becomes 0. You multiply 1 and minus 4y plus 3y. It becomes minus 4y plus 3y equal to 0. Here 1 multiply minus 4y plus 3y. It becomes minus 4y plus 3y. You multiply by 0 and minus and root 3. It becomes 0. Here minus 4y plus 3y. It becomes minus y. Minus y equal to 0, y equal to 0. You find the value of y equal to 0. Clear? Now you put the value of y equal to 0 in equation first. Put y equal to 0 in equation first. Equation first is root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. It is equation first. Put the value of y equal to 0 here. It becomes root 2x plus root 3 multiply 0 equal to 0. root 2x plus 0 equal to 0. Here 0 multiply root 3 become 0. Root 2x equal to 0, x equal to 0. You find x equal to 0. You solve equation first and equation second. You find the value of x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Clear? We solve equation first and second. We find x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Solution is clear? You can solve any question very easily by the help of this solution. It is easy? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.